Hello, this is Guillermo Puyol with mobileprogrammingtips.com, and in today's Corona in 5 minutes video, we'll learn how to drag objects on the screen. So let's go ahead and get started by drawing a rectangle on the screen. Actually, we're gonna make a square. Okay. Simple enough. When we have this square, we're going to go ahead and add a touch listener to it. Okay, so there's our square. It doesn't respond to anything right now. And let's go ahead and add touch listener, add event listener, touch, do rect. Touch is the function that we're going to execute. And let's go ahead and program that function. Local function. Okay. So now we're going to detect what phase of this event we're on. So if event.phase is equal to began, then we're going to do something. Else if event.phase is equal to moved, we're going to do something else. So in the event.phase equal began, so that's whenever the finger touches the screen. So let's go ahead and localize the target event, the target of the event. So we're going to call it touched object is equal to event.target. And we're going to say that the touched object previous x, so basically the x before we do anything to it is x, and the touched object previous y is equal to the touched object dot y. So that way we store the original position of the object, and then over here we're going to say touched object.x is equal to the event.x, so wherever your finger is at the very moment, minus the event.x start, which is where the touch event started. And we're going to add that to the touched object.previous x. Okay, so that way touched object previous x. Okay, that way we can actually detect the movement and adjust those accordingly. So let's switch this for y, so we can check it on the y as well. Y start previous y. Let's go ahead and execute our code. Alright, so now we have a rectangle that we can click and drag around the screen anywhere we want. So this is how you detect dragging on Corona SDK. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, post it on the comments. Thank you for watching.